Okay, this is the solution to Programming Project 1.9. It says a simple rule to estimate your ideal body weight is to allow 110 pounds for the first 5 feet of height and 5 pounds for each additional inch. Okay, so what this saying is if you want to get your ideal weight, the first 5 feet would be 110 pounds, and every inch after that, you would have to multiply it by 5 to get your ideal weight. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to choose 6 feet, 8 inches. All right, so go ahead and I'm going to go to Eclipse, go to Project 1, this folder, go to Project 1, right click it, New, Class. All right, I'm going to name this one Project 1_9. All right, and then don't forget to click that public static void main, press finish. All right, should get a new page. All right, here we go. So then press enter a few times, or you don't have to, but I like to do that. So the first thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna press int for integer, and then height, feet, and then we chose 6 feet for our height, semicolon, enter, and we press int, height, inches, and our inches we chose is gonna be 8 inches, semicolon, press enter. So the size that we chose is going to be 6 feet 8 inches, right? Now we're going to put int ideal weight. That's just a variable. It could be, it's arbitrary. You could name it whatever you want, but of course, to make it clear, we're going to put ideal weight. And then, so they said that the ideal weight is going to be 110 pounds, right, for the first 5 feet. And then we're going to go ahead and get that. Then we're going to copy height inches, copy that, paste it. I spelled this one wrong, so go ahead and delete that T. All right, so I height inches. And then after this, we're going to multiply it by 5, because they said that for every inch that's above 5 feet, you need to multiply the amount of inches by 5 pounds. So this right here, it means 8. Okay, so it's going to be 8 times 5. But we're actually put the semicolon. But the thing about this one right here is it doesn't include the height in feet. So we also need to include this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put a parenthesis, copy this, the height in feet, paste that right here inside the parenthesis, and then we're going to minus by 5, right? Okay, so the reason why that we minus it by 5 is because the 110 pounds that we're putting into the equation already indicates 5 feet. So we need to minus 5 feet because we already have it. So if we minus 6, which is the height feet right here, it means 6, minus 5, it gives us a leftover of 1 foot. But we need to get that 1 foot, and we need to multiply it by 12 because we need to get the amount of inches so we can multiply it by pounds. So since this is going to be 1 left over, we're going to multiply that by 12, right? And then from this 12, we're going to need to add the height in inches, which is 8. So 12 plus 8 equals 20. Then we need to multiply that by 5, right? We need to multiply out by 5. So go ahead and put a parenthesis around it. One more right here, because we need to get all this right here after it's done and multiplied by 5. So once we're done doing that, go ahead and before we run it, we're gonna have to put the system out println and then ideal weights parentheses semicolon, and it should come out to 210. Then okay. Yeah, 210. Okay, so that's pretty much how you do it. So instead of always inputting different numbers in here, all you have to do to get your ideal body weight is put any size you want. So let's do one more example. Let's go ahead and push 8 right there, like 8 foot tall. It could be a giant 8'3". So the ideal weight for 8'3" would be 305 pounds. That's pretty skinny. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Peace.